Some have remarked that banks are not lending now. Is that true?
Well, a recent survey by the National Federation of Independent Business, which is smaller businesses, indicated that only 4% of respondents were unable to get all of the loans that they needed, and the fraction of businesses ranking inadequate access to credit as their main problem stood at 2%, which is an extremely low number.
So just because people in
lending has expanded overall by the banking system and also to small businesses, C&I lending.
Just because people in high places say it's true doesn't make it so. Are U.S. banks competing? Others have said that U.S. banks can't compete. Are U.S. banks competing relative to their international counterparts?
U.S. banks are generally considered quite strong relative to their counterparts. They built up capital quickly, partly as a result of our insistence that they do so following the financial crisis. And as I mentioned earlier, are very well capitalized, and their lending, their price to book ratios are substantially higher than the ratios of banks headquartered in other areas, and they're gaining market share, and they remain quite profitable.